Hello everyone, friends. Welcome to the Well Or channel. Today I'll show you how to record a video with audio on your computer. To do this, open Steam, or you can just use your browser. Type OBS here, Studio. Let's go in. Then click Use Now. There, the program is downloading. Yes, I already have it downloaded. Open it. We need to create two sources here. This is screen, right? So this is my first screen. Yes, here. I'm recording here, press OK, and then add the second source, which is audio recording. Click Add Source. Select audio here. Here we select where the audio will come from, my speakers, and click OK. There. And then go to Settings, go to Output. Here, this is where recording settings are. Choose the folder where videos will be saved and in what format. There, I recommend setting high priority here and also selecting the best quality there and click apply. This was Weller with you. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.